Hey guys! In this video, I'm sharing with you my vegan, gluten-free pie crust. This crust is super easy to make and only needs 5 ingredients. It's a crumbly crust like a graham cracker crust, but without that cookie taste. This pie crust is very versatile. You can also make it savory by not adding the sugar. You can use this pie crust for pumpkin pie, apple pie, cheesecake, and quiche. Let's get started.
Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below, like, and subscribe. See you later.